This is what everybody doesn't see, is the aftermath of a crazy weekend. We got stuffed gear all over the place. I'm trying to dry my tent out because we got poured on yesterday. So we're working today. We're...
It's a mess right now.
It's trash.
We're both pretty messy people. We love to clean up and it be clean, but we're just collectively messy people.
Yes, we are. So
Up a little bit. I know it still looks messy made. Might even do
I've been inspired. I have these kayaks here in my studio apartment. Don't necessarily have all the space, so I've come up with something that I'm going to build tonight. Let's take a look here. We've got a chest, and this chest will house these two kayaks, and it will also double as a standing desk, living space kind of. I just told Mia about it. I think she's pretty stoked about it too. Hey, where are we headed?
do you want to do Lowe's first?
Oh, Mia just got back from the gym, getting something to eat, and then going to Lowe's. It is really good. I just tried it. This is going to be the top. Home Depot is fun. We're getting the pieces, have pretty much everything. I don't have the top board that I needed in 11 feet, so I'm getting two 5.5 by 3s. I'm just gonna bracket them together on the top, so hopefully that works fine. Got everything we need here. It came out to 180, and I got not too bad. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully that flies. I got it coming out the window there. Just realized I forgot long screws, and I need those badly. That was the one thing I forgot, so I'm gonna see if Dollar General has any. If not, might be putting the desk on hold for tonight. Yes. All right, we're home and ready for the fun part. Taking it all upstairs. The story of our lives. Quick update, this is where we're at right now. Top, and it's gonna have a hinge to open up. Well, I am putting the two top pieces together. This will ultimately be the giant desk. So I'm stoked about that. I do not have long enough screws. I need screws that are like this long. Walmart's closed, Lowe's is closed.
Hi, buddy.
Gonna have to catch you tomorrow. We're going to get some Chick-fil-A because can't finish the new desk, so kind of bummed. Here we are, getting the goods at Chick. Indy's excited to see all the people, so.